You can trust them and rely them. Hello, this is Luis from Colombia. This is my first visit to the Blue Elephant company, and I think it's a really interesting company to work with since they have everything to be a good product. They also have a wide variety of products and such a big company, so you can trust them and rely them when you need a solution for your company. This time I came to buy some machines for MDF, and I think they have everything I needed, so I found everything in the same place.